How to fix Facebook identity not confirmed. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps option. Where is apps option? Here. And then here on apps option, search for Facebook. Open Facebook now, and you have to scroll down, click now on storage. Now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And now you have to go to picture in picture, make sure that this option is allowed like this, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.